My background's in finance, so just being able to create an app and make it useful and functional has been really fulfilling and fun.
So we have some tests that we offer to clinics for their patients to help try and diagnose and find more infertile men. So we're trying to raise that standard of care to make it the male and partner equal partners in this fertility journey. Because we know if a male goes undiagnosed, the female undergoes all those tests and treatments that just won't work. Our use case was so unique that, Knack was super helpful once we found it. And we quickly realized that there's so much more that we could add and add relatively quickly. In our previous system, we were able to set up automated emails, but it came with a building fee. And it was just like, 5 emails or something. Whereas this, I think we have upwards of 30 automated emails. So I think I maybe just like a guess would be the time is probably cut in half from what we previously had to do until now. So
I think the real eye-popping one was the unlimited users, and like I was like, what could we do with that? Because with our system that we were using before, we had to pay per user, and they weren't always using the app, so it just didn't make sense to do that.
we previously had a system which is great for its use case, but we knew we weren't its like perfect clientele. You don't have to try and fit your business into something predetermined.
So we've really taken Knack and just made it our own. We have all these cool new features that include customizable emails. As Derek mentioned, now we have portals that we can offer to both patients and providers and clinic staff, which we weren't able to do before. And we quickly realized that this was pretty vital for our company because we were getting a lot of requests from physicians and patients that wanted access to their information in real time.
It's been a huge like bonus to us that we can change things when we need them to be changed, because previously it was took months to get a change that we needed, and now we can just do it ourselves on the back end.